Myself Vilas Kumawat, Anna Sahabi College, Mansar. Today, this is the first lecture for TY BSc Botany, course Horticulture and Floriculture. TY BSc semester 3rd, paper 5th, BO 335. Unit 1st, Horticulture Introduction. Now in this chapter we will study the horticulture introduction. Definition: horticulture, this is the word derived from two Latin words. First one is hortus, means enclosure or close. Hortus means enclosure or close. Culture or cultura means cultivation. Culture or cultura means cultivation. Horticulture, it is the Latin word derived from two words. Hortus means enclosure or close. Cultura means cultivation. Now horticulture, it is the modern branch of agriculture which deals with study of production, multiplication, marketing and trading of economically important fruit plants, vegetables, flowers and ornamentals, and preservation of plant fruits and their products. Now horticulture, it is the modern branch of agriculture. Agriculture, in agriculture we cultivate traditionally various cereal crops for human being. Now in horticulture, production of fruits, vegetables, flowers and ornamental plants and their preserved products on economic basis. Now in case of horticulture, where knowledge of science and technology is employed in the production of horticultural goods. Here almost all knowledge of science, engineering, marketing, etc. are employed in the horticulture, where production or multiplication on large scale production of horticultural crops, then production, multiplication, processing of fruits, vegetables, flowers, etc., marketing and trading in the national and international places, and due to the marketing and trading knowledge, by selling the horticultural goods to the local or abroad, farmers get money. That's why horticulture, it is the important today's branch of agriculture. More concentration is done on the economically important fruit plants, vegetable plants, then flowers, then ornamental plants and some of the fruit preserved products. Now fruit plants, they are cultivated by using the knowledge of science and technology, and agricultural goods are produced in large amount and they are sold in market. By selling horticultural goods in the market, farmers get more money as compared to the agricultural goods. Vegetables, they also play the immense importance in the human diet. Now these vegetables are consumed fresh, and these fresh vegetables are having market demand. Nowadays flowers are also having market demand, and flowers are used for various occasions. Now these flowers are important for the various festivals. Then the ornamental plants, they are mainly the leafy vegetables, leafy ornamental plants, then the colored leaves plants, cacti, bonsai, etc. They are used for the decoration, or they use to increase the aesthetic sense. Now that's why horticulture concentrate on these economically important fruit plants, vegetable plants, flower yielding plants and some of the ornamental plants and their preserved products. Now this is the definition of horticulture. Again you see horticulture, it is the modern branch of agriculture where knowledge of science and technology is used for production, multiplication, marketing and trading of economically important fruits, vegetables, flowers, ornamentals and their preserved products. Horticulture is today's important branch. Now second unit under this lecture we will see the branches of horticulture. Horticulture, it is main branch. We have seen the how horticulture word is formed. That word is formed from hortus means enclosure or close, where the cultivation is under supervision. Cultivation of economically important plants under expert supervision in a closed condition. Closed means in polyhouse or in greenhouse or in closed field which are having fencing and gate. Now for this, these fencing and gate and polyhouse and greenhouse protect the plants from the external disturbances. Now it is closed cultivation under expert supervision. Persons who are having knowledge of fruits, vegetable, then flower cultivation, and he can produce more yield as compared to the other person who is engaged in agriculture. That's why horticulture more concentration is done on economic basis of production of fruits, vegetables, etc. Now depending upon which plants are cultivated on economic basis, there are main 4 branches of horticulture. First is called as pomology. Second branch of horticulture is called as floriculture. Third branch of horticulture is ornamental gardening and designing. And fourth branch of horticulture is preservation of fruits and vegetables. Now third branch, that is ornamental gardening and designing, is again subdivided into floriculture and landscape gardening and designing. Now these are the 2 sub branches of ornamental gardening and designing. Now we will see one by one branches of horticulture. First branch is pomology. Now again, this branch of horticulture, pomology, is derived from Latin word pom. Pom means fruits. Logy. Logy means study of. Now pomology word derived from 2 Latin words, that is pom means fruits, logy means study of or science of or multiplication of. Now this pomology, one can define the branch of horticulture, pomology. Now we will see the definition of pomology. What is meant by pomology? Pomology, it is a branch of horticulture which deals with study of production, multiplication, marketing and trading of economically important fruit plants. Here more concentration is done on the production of economically important fruits. The knowledge of horticulture, including science and technology, is employed in the production, multiplication, marketing and trading of economically important fruit plants. And on the economic basis, fruits are cultivated, they are having market value. For example, economically important fruits available in the market are mango, grapes, pineapple, apple, number of fruits they are having market value. Mango cultivation, we call it as a mango orchard. Grape cultivation, we call it as a vineyard. Pineapple cultivation, apple cultivation. Now these fruit plants are economically important. They are having market demand. Public demand these fruits and during the season. And by growing these economically important fruits, mango, grapes, pineapple, apple, sapota, guava, pomegranate, strawberry, etc. Now these plants are cultivated by using the knowledge of science and technology, where concentration is done on the production of fruits on economic basis. That is, all efforts are employed for economically production of fruits, and that is, this is the branch of horticulture which deals with study of by using science and technology, where economically important fruit plants are multiplied. They are generally processed, they are generally traded and marketed in the local market as well as in the other country. By exporting mango from Konkan, grapes from in the Nasik district, that is Pimpalgaon Baswan, and in Sangli district Tajga, where these two villages export the grapes to the Gulf countries. Pineapple, apple, strawberry and guava and sapota, these are the fruits which are having market value. By trading economically important fruits in the season every year, farmers obtain large money as compared to the agriculture. Now you see, pomology, it is the branch of horticulture which mainly concentrate economically important fruits and their production, marketing and trading. Now that's why India has a good scope for production of economically important fruits and trading of these fruits to the national level or to the foreign country. This branch which only concentrate on the production of economically important fruits, that is called as pomology. Second branch, olericulture. Second branch of horticulture is called as olericulture. Now again, olericulture, this word is derived from Latin word. Oleris means vegetable. Oleris means vegetable. Here, vegetables also plays important role in human diet. Balanced diet. Vegetables provides various organic acids and minerals and vitamins. That's why olericulture, it is the important branch of horticulture which deals with, by using the knowledge of science and technology, economically important vegetables are produced. There is a production, multiplication, marketing and trading of economically important fruits are called as olericulture. Now some of vegetables are having market value. People daily consume vegetables. For example, leafy vegetables, spinach, lettuce, fruit vegetable, tomato, brinjal, then potato, cabbage, cauliflower, garlic, carrot, etc. Now, olericulture. Now, this is the branch of horticulture where concentration is mainly on the production of economically important vegetables. where knowledge of science and technology, modern knowledge of science and technology is employed in the production of vegetables, and almost all activities, that is production, multiplication, marketing, trading and processing of vegetables in the local market as well as abroad. Especially we export the lady's finger, tomato, brinjal, cabbage, potato, onion to the other country, and by trading these vegetables we get foreign currency. Every year export potential of Maharashtra as well as export potential of India is very good to the Gulf country and also to the European country. Now, superior vegetables are accepted by the society. Vegetables, fresh vegetables are having market demand, and nowadays these vegetables are cultivated in polyhouses, greenhouses and in open agriculture. Now, this branch which concentrate on production of vegetables called as olericulture. Third important branch, that is ornamental gardening. Now this branch of horticulture is of immense importance. Ornamental gardening means here cultivation of ornamental plants are done on the economic basis. Now these ornamental plants are having market demand. People are using ornamental plants for various purposes, for decoration, indoor decoration, outdoor decoration. Plants increase the aesthetic sense and ornamental plants having market demand. Now this third branch which is related to the production of ornamental gardening, where this is the branch of horticulture which deals with production, multiplication, marketing and trading of economically important ornamental plants, that is called as ornamental gardening. Now fourth one is preservation of fruits and vegetables. Now fruits and vegetables, when they are surplus, there is a high yield obtained, and in market there is a market flood because prices suddenly lowers down. At that time these fruits and vegetables are processed and they are preserved by using various methods of preservation. For example, sun drying by using various preservatives like sugar, then vinegar, then salts, then oven drying and sun drying. These are various methods of preservation. Now here fourth branch, that is preservation of fruits and vegetables. One can define preservation of fruits and vegetables. It is the branch of horticulture where the various methods of preservations are employed for the preservation of fruits and vegetables, and these fruits and vegetables are preserved in a canned products and they are sold in the market during odd season, and this preservation of fruits and vegetables compensate the cost of production when there is a market flood or there is a no price obtained during the market flood. At that time fruits and vegetables are processed by using various methods of preservation. For example, in market we have jam, jelly, pickles, then candy, syrup, sauce, juice, etc. Pulp, etc. Now you know mango pulp is available in the market. We are very familiar with jam, jelly, pickles, candy, syrup, sauce, juice, etc. Then these are the products, they are made available throughout the year, and by selling these products Due to the preservation, the farmers get money, and they are the basic fruits and vegetables are basic raw material for the preservation industry. Various fruits are preserved and canned. Various vegetables are dried and they are preserved in the powder form. And during odd season, throughout the year, we have availability of these preserved products. And these preserved products are having market demand. Especially, we export these preserved products to the other country. And by exporting, we get foreign currency. Now, these are the 4 branches of horticulture. Pomology, concerned with fruits. Floriculture, concerned with vegetables. Ornamental gardening, concerned with ornamental plants. Preservation of fruits and vegetables. Various methods are used for preservation of fruits and vegetables, and they are sold in the odd season and farmers get money. Preservation of fruits and vegetables, it is important branch of horticulture, and fruits and vegetables are raw material used for preservation and canning industry. Now, ornamental gardening are having 2 sub branches. First one is floriculture. Second one is landscape gardening and designing. Landscape gardening and designing. We'll see what is meant by floriculture. Then we'll see landscape gardening and designing. Floriculture. Now, this floriculture, it is the sub branch of ornamental gardening. The floriculture word is mainly derived from Latin word florus, means flower. Now, in the modern age, flowers find important place in the human life. Flowers increases the fresh environment. Flowers increases the calm and quiet environment. Flowers are having sweet fragrance. Now, these flowers are used for various festivals or various occasions, and that's why in market there is a demand of economically important flowers. Now, we'll see the definition of floriculture. Floriculture, it is a branch of horticulture which come under ornamental gardening, where economically important flowers are cultivated, they are multiplied, they are processed and marketed for the economic purpose. Floriculture, it is the branch of horticulture which deals with the production, multiplication, marketing and trading of economically important flowers. For example, economically important flowers are, they are having market demand or people having demand during the various festivals or occasions. Like the first one is rose, orchids, chrysanthemum, gladiolus, aster, gerbera, etc. Now, these flowers during various seasons are having market value. Rose, orchids, chrysanthemum, gladiolus, aster, gerbera, marigold, etc. are having market value. People or horticulturists concentrate on the production of these economically important flowers. Now, these flowers are cultivated in polyhouse or greenhouse or shade net by using the knowledge of science and technology, and large production of flowers are done under the expert supervision of horticulturist. Now we export rose, orchids, chrysanthemum, gladiolus, aster to the national level as well as international level. And by selling the economically important flower to the other country, farmers get more money and we obtain the foreign currency. Floriculture, it is the important branch of horticulture which deals with study of multiplication, marketing and trading of economically important flowers. Last branch, landscape gardening and designing. Now this is the sub branch of ornamental gardening and designing. Landscaping means decoration of bare open land by planting the ornamental plants. That is called as landscape gardening and designing. Now landscape gardening and designing is today's modern branch of horticulture which increase aesthetic sense, where open land is decorated by plantation of ornamental plants. Now we see the open land is converted into the best land or beautiful land by planting ornamental plants, especially during the roadside or by walk or the path. There is a decoration is done with the plantation of ornamental plants. The open ground is covered by plantation with the lawns, and we get various shapes for the land, and by cutting the various shapes of the plant we give the animal shape, etc. Here open land is covered into the best land by plantation of ornamental plants. The best example is the Ramoji Film City, where the land is decorated by planting the ornamental plants. That is called as landscape gardening and designing. Now these are the branches of horticulture. Now this is these two topics today we have seen. Our paper horticulture and floriculture. Paper 5th. First unit horticulture introduction. We have seen definition of horticulture. In second unit we have seen branches of horticulture, and these branches are main 4 branches. First one is pomology, which deals with production of fruits. Second one is olericulture. Third one is ornamental, and fourth one is preservation of fruits and vegetables. Now ornamental branch having 2 sub branches, that is floriculture and landscape gardening and designing. Now with this we will stop here. Again in next lecture we will proceed for the scope and importance of horticulture. Thank you very much.